Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And as a promise, I made a promise that I will remake this. I don't know what happened to me here, but okay, let's try to fix that. So let's make the head. And I'm going to use this color. And number 5, hook. So let's start with chain 5. Let's increase. 1, 2, and then single crochet to the next, and one more single crochet to the next, and now 5 single crochet in this last chain. Next is single crochet and single crochet, then increase. 1, 2, and slip stitch. Slip stitch to the starting single crochet. Okay, chain 1, then into that same stitch let's make single crochet, increase to the next, and single crochet 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Single crochet, okay, and increase to the next, single crochet to the next, increase to the next, and single crochet 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Single crochet, 2, 3, and 4. And increase. Slip stitch to the beginning, chain 1. So around 3 single crochet. So from here on the same stitch, 1, 2, 3, then increase, and 2 single crochet, 1, 2, then increase, 1, 2, now 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then increase, 2 single crochet, 1, 2, then increase, 2 single crochet, 1, 2, and slip stitch, chain 1 for round 4, single crochet, increase, 8 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, single crochet, 2, 3, oops, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and let's increase, okay, single crochet to the next, increase to the next, then another 8 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 until here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and increase, and join, slip stitch, round 5, chain 1, single crochet all around, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26 stitches, and slip stitch. So round 6, chain 1, 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, then increase, now 6 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then increase. Then 15 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then slip stitch, round 7 to 9, chain 1 and single crochet all around for 3 rounds. And 28 stitches and slip stitch. So I finished my 3 rounds of single crochet, and now for round 10, chain 1, decrease 2 times. 1, 2, then 11 single crochet. 1, 2, and in 11. Next is decrease 2 times again. 1, 2. Now 9 single crochet. 1, 2, 9, and slip stitch, round 11, chain 1, decrease 2 times. 1, 2, single crochet, decrease 1 more, three single crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Then decrease, single crochet, decrease 2 times. 1, 2, and 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7, and slip stitch. So this is the last round. I'll just leave a long tail to see. So that's it. So let's see the seam here. They're more even than the last time. Okay, I'm so sorry for that. So this is it, guys, and just do the same with the ears, eyes. So this cat's head here, I will put this in here. Like that. So this is for Halloween and this is for Christmas. So see you in the next video, and let's make this box, square box with a lid. Okay, see you guys. Thank you for watching.